At the Sunshine Garden Centre, we offer a tool sharpening service. That takes place on the first Monday of each month.
One of our recent visits to Sunshine, which are fairly frequent, we did ask whether this service was going to be provided again, and the answer was good.
Yeah, he did such a fantastic job, particularly my shears. It's just like almost a joy. Well, it's always a joy gardening, but it's almost a joy getting our hands and knees and cutting the grass. So we came back.
You can find David from Renew Sharpening Services right here in the car park just beneath the entrance. See below for a full price list and event days.